Namaste, good afternoon, my friends. Again, we welcome you on the YouTube channel of Udyoga Prerna. Today, I'm going to share the most important topic related to post harvest and agribusiness. Today's topic is opportunities in post harvest and agribusiness sector. Some facts, some challenges. Always, as far as global agro commodities concerned, post harvest practices are the most important aspects for value addition and farmer empowerment. I will basically focus this post harvest processing sector opportunities, facts, and challenges, especially for underdeveloped countries and developing countries. In many underdeveloped and developing countries, agriculture is the main tool for livelihood. And the term agribusiness is a modern term which include backward linkage, that is from pre-cultivation to harvesting, then post-harvest, which includes post-harvest processing, storage, handling, and food processing, where it is basically secondary processing from available agro produce. People using some technologies and equipments add value and develop food products. And after food processing, the organized supply chain, that is forward integration, is the fourth pillar of agribusiness. So the spectrum of agribusiness concept is from pre-cultivation up to forward linkage, that is from farm to table. In this entire agribusiness spectrum, for these underdeveloped and developing countries, opportunities are enormous. We can classify these opportunities into two categories: resource base and opportunity base. Normally, resource based opportunities, if we focus, for example, in India, Ethiopia, and Tanzania, there is a lot of turmeric. So, turmeric is a major resource or major crop from the area. Then, the opportunities in the agribusiness are from developing seeds of turmeric, agri input for turmeric, harvesting practices for turmeric, post harvest processing of turmeric, value addition in turmeric fingers and powders, and developing curcumin, oleoresin like value added food ingredients from this turmeric and supplying it to global organized supply chains and to the consumer. So, this is resource based opportunities. Need based opportunities. If we see कि in very hot areas, people preferred cold drinks, ice creams. The diet habits depend upon season, and the here need based opportunities are normally changing day by days with the help of technology and with the help of final product. So based on these two basic resources, we will enlighten the market requirement, because we have to study the facts also. All food products should have to pass through stringent food safety norms And nowadays, on the background of COVID-19, entire manufacturing process should be good manufacturing process and safe food manufacturing process. So this is the main challenge for all foodpreneurs and agripreneurs. The second challenge is traceability. What consumer required, entire traceability from cultivation point of view up to the final product that will be in the hand of the consumer. So maintaining this traceability is again a big challenge, and there are many opportunities for showing the traceability. The third important point for this agribusiness opportunity is this agribusiness opportunity sector is mainly classified into pre-harvesting, post-harvest, food processing, secondary food processing, and forward integration. In in each sector, there are many further opportunities depending upon the technology, the product designing, and the requirement of the consumer. So anybody who want to enter in the field of agribusiness or food processing, that entrepreneur or foodpreneur or investor should first identify the target market segment, basic requirement, specifications or expectations of the product from the end user, and then study the entire change from forward integration to pre-cultivation. Here in the entire chain, raw material availability plays very important role, because all these agro produce or the raw materials are agro produce, and these are badly or widely influenced or affected by the nature. So raw material study is number one. Then selecting appropriate and authentic process technology. Third, the product designing and the product uh, nutrition values. Then the shelf life and the packaging and the supply chain. These are the important points or issues to be addressed before finalizing any business opportunities. Funds are ample available, market is very huge and very big. Only thing, you have to cater the correct product, correct customer, and correct technology, so that you will enhance, you will the shelf life, the profits, and the employment. The important point before entering into this sector is again, for agribusiness sector, the break-even point is always a minimum 3 to 4 years. That point also you have to consider. And normally, what Udyog Prerna advise, if you want to raise the equity-based funding, always ask for minimum 2 years moratorium period. With this, Udyog Prerna always pushing you to come in this agribusiness field, because this is the only sector where you can feed the entire global community, and you can empower the livelihood mission or the farmer empowerment mission. So come, invest, explore the opportunities in agribusiness. All the best. Jai Hind.